Welcome back, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you watch this. All right, so it's 8 a.m., which is just 1 hour after London Open, and I have GBP USD on screen right now. I marked out this demand zone, which in a couple of minutes I will zoom out for you to see, and I'm waiting for this high to be taken out before I get involved. Obviously, I would have bought from here because of this impulsive break and retracement back to the demand zone. But the way I trade, I like to wait for the second break to the upside for me to have a confidence that yes, price is really willing to go up. So what I'll wait for is this high to be taken out and a retracement back into your FVG imbalance order block, which I'm willing to trade from. But at the moment, I'm going to patiently wait for price to do its thing. This video is meant for a daily analysis section of my channel, which I will be making day to day analysis, day by day, how I approach the market, my thought process, which will bridge the gap between some of my educational contents with my actual real time trading. So, yeah, you see this bullish move, and I marked out this demand zone. Hasn't really come deep into the demand zone. That's why I'm still conservative looking forward. Came into the demand zone yesterday, still didn't give me what I wanted. I could have traded this other block if I wanted to, but I wasn't 100% certain that this will need to move up anytime soon because we still have areas unmitigated that price might likely go to in the future. So what I'm waiting for is this high to be broken, and I'll mark out zones from this week to trade from. Alright guys, I will make more videos as the price progresses. Stay tuned. Peace. Said I was going to wait for this high to be taken out. I dropped an alert to trigger when price has actually tapped into this alert to trigger me on my phone, but it didn't because price never took out this high, and it came lower to this demand and eventually invalidated this demand. So I'm going to delete this because this demand is no longer valid. And this is a perfect example of the reality of trading. You need to wait patiently. Sometimes you have to wait patiently for days and you still won't take a trade. That's the reality of trading. That is something most people don't understand. They feel you have to take heavy trades and all your demand zones have to hold. I wish Forex was like that. This is a perfect example, and I'm happy this happened. So I didn't take any loss basically because of the rules I have. I was waiting for a double break to the upside to be sure that price wants to go bullish. That never happened, so I didn't take any trades. And eventually this demand failed. So I'll delete this and I'll step back from the market for some time because I'm not seeing any clear direction to where it's going for today. And I don't think it will go lower than this point because in a way that's still a structural point, a structural low that priced price went up, broke up. Yeah, I don't think it will go below this, but if I'll just stay out from the market for some time. So in the market analysis series, first part, we haven't taken any trade. And AUD USD, same thing. I know some people will look at this 1 hour and say it's bullish. They're not wrong, but when you look further than the 1 hour, like say daily, you see it's bearish, and still I'm not looking to get involved. This low was taken out, came back up. I am still not satisfied with what I'm seeing, so I'll step away from the market for this week. Because mind you, if you look at Forex Factory, we have the FOMC statement coming up around 7. The ADP already dropped around 1. Okay, that's tomorrow. Yeah, today is Tuesday. So tomorrow we have the ADP non-farm employment change. We have the FOMC statement, federal funds rate. So tomorrow is going to be really, really crazy. So I'll step away from the market throughout this week. I don't trade news, except I'm already positioned in a trade. Then news will then act as a catalyst to take my trade even further in profit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something of this first video. No trades have been taken, but I'm okay with that because I've been doing this for some time. I know that I can still come back and make lots of money from trading. Trading is a patience game. In this case, my demand never held, and I'm fine with that. So yeah, peace.